Hello, this is Jason, and I am in the heart of Chinatown in Bangkok, which is one of the largest Chinatowns in the world. No, it's the largest. So I'm standing right underneath the big sign, and this enters into like a market here. And then this road here is the famous Yaowarat Road. And this place really comes alive at night. I don't know if I'll be here at night to show it, but all these signs lit up and it looks really cool. Let's just walk down the main Yaowarat Road. Let's see what we can see. I'd like to get a massage at like a Chinese massage place. See if it's different than a Thai massage. I'm quite the massage connoisseur. And there's a noodle place that I want to check out. I'm kind of getting a little bit hungry. I had breakfast this morning at 10 and it's 5 o'clock now. So up here on the right is the noodle spot called Goi Job. I don't see it. Oh, unless it's this place. Yeah, it is this place. The little Michelin 2019, 2023, 2020. So just a little hole-in-the-wall noodle shop. It's $2 for a bowl of noodles. 30 cents for an egg. So I think I will try that, but I'm going to give you guys a little bit more of a look at Chinatown before I do. Durian, very expensive durian. So it's $7 for the cheapest little pack, and then it's up to $27 there for the big old pack. Expensive, stinky, mushy fruit. I'm not a fan. I didn't think it was horrible, but it's definitely, I don't understand why it's so expensive. It just tastes like an overripe banana as far as, that's how the texture is, and then the flavor is just, can't even really describe the flavor. It's so unique. But it's not the greatest. But I didn't think it was horrible and disgusting like a lot of people do. Smoothies. Roasting chestnuts on an open fire. Not on an open fire, in a little, they put like little stones in there, super heated stones that roast the chestnuts. Another place looks very popular. Chinese herbs and stuff. Give me some pictures. I often forget to take pictures. Gold. Gold. I love gold. Very busy place. Chrysanthemum drink. Alright, so this is pretty much the end of Yaowarat Road. So I think I'll end it here. So thanks for watching. Just a quick look at the largest Chinatown in the world, which this is just a small fraction of it. One street, like Khao Road is another popular street in Chinatown. And it's pretty hopping. So hope you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.